Hi everyone, my name is Sukanika. I am 9 years old. Let's read together. Going to the zoo. She go to the zoo. She see a lion. The lion roar. She see an elephant. The elephant have a long trunk. She see a turtle. The turtle is slow. She see a rabbit. The rabbit have soft fur. She see a gorilla. The gorilla is eating a banana. Thank you for listening to me. Goodbye and good luck.